Just a little while, man, them make off of the brings. Low M16, low 9mm, low knockings just a little while again out of my side. Man, low and shelling again.
On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, what go on? A blessed and wonderful Saturday evening to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, I have a story to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in Jamaica. So watch this now, my peeps. We are going to kick it off over there in the eastern section of the island we are talking about. St. Thomas for sure. So right out of Albion St. Thomas, right there so. A motorist going about his lawful business, having his dash cam. And at this presently on your screen, the motorist go buck up in the old dirty corner boy them. Strike again. Yeah, man. The criminal elements launched a grisly, brazen daytime attack on Beryllium employees as they were about to replenish an ATM machine over there in Albion St. Thomas. So I'm going to give you now the official report as it relates to that knockings and clappings. Then I have a host of video footage to show you firsthand what really took place over there in Albion St. Thomas. So according to the police reports, the security guard who was injured as armed criminals sprayed bullets in the direction of the Beryllium team is being treated at the hospital. It is understood that his injuries are considered to be very serious but not life-threatening at the time. It's another win for the security company on this day. So reports are that the armed men opened fire at the guards who were at the gas station to restock an ATM. The thugs were met with resistance from the security officers. At least one of the men opened fire from a high-powered rifle. The security guards reportedly defended their position, forcing the criminals to retreat without taking a dollar. When the knockings and clappings subsided, several motor vehicles, windows and doors were riddled with bullets. Civilian videos captured the criminals beating a hasty retreat. But the police were soon on the case. Acting on information, the police carried out subsequent operations in Morant Bay, about an hour drive away. The vehicle matching the description of one used in the attempt robbery was spotted. When the police approached, the occupants reportedly opened fire. The police returned fire and a brief chase ensued in the vicinity of the Morant Bay roundabout. The vehicle reportedly crashed and the armed men were forced to flee in the area on foot. On the Spot News Media understands that the police are combing the area in their efforts to locate the assailants. The car has been seized. The police stated that they are also following several leads as they continue their operation. And look on the irony of it all, my peeps. A Beryllium vehicle is on your screen presently in front of On The Spot News Media. Boy, may I tell you, Beryllium has been the target of several daring daylight knockings and clappings, robbery attempts in recent weeks. In an incident at Portmore Pines Plaza in St. Catherine in February, a security guard lost his life, 2 others were seriously injured, and $10 million stolen. 6 people, including a Beryllium employee, have been taken into custody in relation to that incident. Weeks later, another incident in Portmore led to a $23 million heist. Me I tell you, the man them deal with the thing a certain type of way. There was also an attempt robbery in St. Elizabeth in April and now in St. Thomas. But the criminal elements get a surprise of them life. So anyway, my peeps, me play these video clippings for you. I'm pretty sure you all are awaiting to see what happened. Watch.
MPF, man, they lick it at the gas station at Albion. Mad move. Watch your MPF. Watch your MPF. Mad knockings. Buckler, MPF. Watch it. Watch your MPF. Watch your MPF, bad man. The man, them strike one more time. Man, them strike one more time, MPF. Watch it. Sick Lord. Oh, knockings, MPF. Watch it. Watch spare the shell. Spare the shell. Yes.
Boy, group members look here. Yeah man, they robbery bring some yellows here. See it there? One security get shot, then got him, don't know if I'm dead. Yeah man, so see it there? Yellows gas station. Then come in a middle day here. Right now, nothing normal right now, I go on in that place here. We don't know, then go on with it, we don't know, which one get shot. Yeah man.
No police here.
Life on the scene, you know. The man them take on the guardsman them just a little while out of my place, Albion St. Thomas. Just a little while man them make off of the brings. Loan M16, loan 9mm, loan knockings just a little while again out of my side. Man, loan shelling again.
So there is other video footage that will be posted on my Instagram page at _newsmedia876 on Instagram. So you can go over there and watch those videos, as you will definitely see more graphic imagery as the criminal elements were out and knocking it and clapping it. And of course, the security guards definitely returned fire, making the criminal elements have to have a hasty retreat. So if you need to see those videos, go over on my Instagram page. They will be there waiting on you. So I've seen many comments under some of the videos posted, and many persons are saying that the operators of Beryllium, the higher heads, who is in charge of arming these guards, are supposed to give them automatic weapons, give them more heavy artillery than the ones they have presently. Well, I'm here to tell you that I'm not sure if that is possible for them to do so, because the laws governing the FLA will not grant them the license to have high-powered weapons like the police and the soldiers, because the privately owned persons can only be granted shotgun license and semi-automatic pistol license and revolvers. So that's the reason why you only see them with shotgun and revolvers and or a semi-automatic pistol. So the best route for the security persons to go is to buy semi-automatic Benelli shotguns. Those are very powerful shotguns. Yeah man, may I tell you, it's not a pumpy. You can just load it up and just clap it, pam, 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 because it is a semi-automatic shotgun. So that is the best route right now for the security personnels to go to get some semi-automatic Benelli shotguns and arm the security officers until certain laws are amended and they can be granted license to carry those type of heavy weaponry. But this could have been something catastrophic because they were at a gas station. Boy, may I tell you, we just give praises to the Almighty Creator that a bullet never catch one of them gas pump there, because all hell literally would have broken loose. So again, we definitely have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator for the preservation of life, because life is indeed the greatest. So you know, my peeps, as soon as we get some more information surrounding that attempt robbery and knockings and clappings, we will definitely be updating you, the regular members of Chan Public and members of the diaspora. So anyway, my peeps, remember,